Reading and making maps. Maps tell us several things about different places, where they are, whether they are on the sea or on a mountain or on a desert, how hot or cold or rainy they are, what kind of trees and plants grow, what kind of people live, the language they speak, the work they do, their buildings, etc. You can know many details about a place from maps. District map or political map. Way to Mallika's house, a sketch map. Laila and Mallika met each other at Red Cross service activity in Srikakulam. There they became close friends. Mallika lives in Venkatapuram village while Laila lives in Adilabad. Laila planned to visit Mallika's house in the coming holidays. She wrote a letter asking Mallika how to reach her house from the bus stand. Mallika sent the details of location of her house with a sketch map. It actually landed Laila in a problem. She had no idea of the distance from the bus stop to the house. When she reached Mallika's house, she said, "Oh Malli, I'm tired. You did not mention the distance in your sketch. If I knew it was so far away, I would have taken an auto," Laila said. "Sorry Laila, I forgot to mention the distance," replied Mallika. "Anyhow, if you take an auto in future, please mention that you have to reach South Venkatapuram. That is where this house is situated," said Mallika. Directions. Look at the following picture carefully. The girl in the middle is facing the rising sun. Now fill the following table. Direction east. Object sun, hills. Direction south. Objects well. Direction north. Objects mountains and trees. Direction west. Object house. If you stand facing the east, all things to your right hand side will be towards the south, all things to your left will be towards the north, and all things behind you will be to the west. Directions on a map. Usually, maps are prepared in such a manner that the north direction is at the top of the map and the south side is at the bottom. So the east side is on the right and west side is on the left. Scale or distances on a map. Mallika took Laila to see the village stream and they walked over the bridge. The bridge has 6 lamp posts at equal distance. The distance between each post is about 100 meters. The entire length of the bridge is about 500 meters. When they came back, Laila wanted to draw a sketch of the bridge and the lamp posts on a paper so that she can take it with her. When she was drawing the lamp post, she took care to draw them at equal distances. The distance between the first and last lamp post was about 5 centimeters. Her sketch was much smaller than the actual bridge. We use scale for showing the actual distance on the ground in a reduced manner on a map. Symbols. You know that maps are too small for us to draw pictures of the things shown on them. Map markers prepare symbols appropriate to their needs. But some common symbols, which are called conventional symbols, are also used. The following is a complete map with symbols, scale, and proper orientation. Symbols: tree, tank, Kacha road, Pakka road, masjid, temple, church, meter gauge railway, post and telegraph office, settlement, broad gauge railway, police station, railway station, post office.